Hello everyone, in this simple video I will show you how to fix post your liked option that is not showing in your account on Instagram. So before you open up the Instagram, what you need to do is go to the App Store or the Play Store and update your Instagram app. Okay, so this method will work both on the Android as well as on the iPhone. You can also try it on the iPad. Now once you update it, then you can open up the Instagram app. Okay, so once you are here, if I go to my profile here and if I go to my settings here, okay, then I will click on account, then you will see there is no post your liked option. Okay, so the Instagram have moved the option to some other place. Okay, simply go to your profile again once more. Okay, let me go. Okay, so you will be here on this screen. Now you need to click on the three horizontal lines that you see at the top of the right hand. Okay, so now out of all these options, don't go to settings, you need to click on your activity. Okay, once you click on your activity, okay, then it will list all the things that you have done here. Okay, now one of the options to see the liked post and videos or the stories is to click on the third option, which is interactions. Okay, so they have moved the option post that you liked in the interactions tab here. Okay, if you click on instructions, then you will see likes, then you need to click on likes here, and now it will list all the from newest to oldest. You can sort and filter. Okay, you can select, you can unselect it from here. So these are all the post videos or reels that I have liked. So this is how you are going to find it. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.